Yo, look at that. All right, so that was nearly... All right, so the manufacturer sent me a chainsaw to review. So this is the ImoumLive chainsaw. It's a 6-inch chainsaw, so we're gonna test it on some logs here. Okay, it comes in a nice carrying case. See, that's the carrying case there. Uh-oh, it's my oil. Let's see, so it comes with safety goggles. Comes with a user guide. So user manual, this is the model number DLJS6. Lithium ion battery. Battery capacity is 21 volts at 3 amp hour. Oh, very nice. It comes with a indicator. Shows you that it's fully charged, so this is really great. Comes with a charging plug for the batteries, and the charging port for plugging in the battery is right there. Oh, this is great. Okay, so I did not know this. It comes with what looks like bar oil. So let's read the user guide a little bit, see what it says. Okay, so it shows you how to use it. It's got a chainsaw safety lock. Press the oil box. Hold the chainsaw vertically with the blade facing down and press the oil box once to allow lubricant to flow. Alright, so oil storage containers right there. So if you ever find yourself in a situation where you need a funnel but you don't have one, all I did was take a Ziploc bag here, cut a little corner out, and we're going to stuff that corner inside this. And then I'll fill it up, and the oil will make its way into there. We got a lot of wind today. Okay, so we're going to pour it just a little bit. And now I need to put the lid on, which I put right here. And then what they said was start pumping. So you can see that that's the oil reservoir is filled with the oil. So let's take the safety cover off. Okay, there we go. I think it is working now. And let's plug in the battery. Okay, plugging in the battery is a little tough. Alright, let's give her a test. So, put this stuff out of the way. Alright, so this is about 1.5 inches. Okay, it's tearing right through that. That's good. So yeah, if you got a little trimming to do on a tree, this will be perfect. It's exactly what they said. It's for pruning. Okay, so now we'll trim this little part off. Alright, so this is about 2 inches in diameter. This is about 2.5 inches in diameter. Okay, now we're on 3 bars on the battery. It's probably okay. All right, let me get some more wood. See, the chain loosened up a little bit, so I might have to do some service on it. Okay, I'll give it a little bit more oil. Yeah, this is about 4 inches, maybe 3.5. Very nice. I'll cut right here. So I'm occasionally pressing the oil button. I don't know if I have to or not. Yeah, buddy. Right here. Nice. All right, and then we're going to cut the crotch off of this one right here. So this is going to be about the maximum cutting diameter that I can do. It's probably right here. Just giving the oil pump a little bit extra. Yo, look at that. All right, so that was nearly, it's probably 5.5 inches, maybe 5 3/4 inches. That went through that. That was nice. So I'm happy with this. This is a good little trimmer. I mean, you want to be careful with it. It feels like it's built well. You know, you don't want to drop it. You don't want to drop logs onto it. You know, you want to treat it with care as you would any other tool. I mean, accidents happen, but, you know, you just take care. See how big we can, or how, I'm going to see how long we can use this before the battery cuts out. Still on 3 bars. This wood smells really good. This is from my neighbor Joe's tree. So he gave this to me last night to use this in this test. Now I'm not really pushing hard. I'm letting the saw do the work, and it's doing the work for sure. It's really taking it out. All right, so this is a bit of a longer piece here. We'll start by cutting off this one. You see how dense this wood is. Okay, that is it. So that's the amount of time that it cut. It's So now we'll charge this battery while we work on the next one. Removing the battery is a little difficult. You don't want it to be easy, but I mean so easy that it'll pop off. But you do have to push this button to release it. Alright, so it's showing 1 bar barely. Alright, so this battery here is 3 bars. Alright, so I'm gonna charge this up. Alright, now I'm installing this battery. Yeah, buddy. So again, we're at 3 bars with this battery. Trying to cut these every 18 inches or so. Time to get more wood. Still 3 bars. Two and a half bars, it looks like. This is gonna wear the battery down for sure. It's like a 3.5 inch, 4 inch piece. Oh, it's got anti-kick detection. That's good. Alright, let's see how we do this one. Down to 2 bars. Okay, the battery is charging very quickly. It's already at 3 bars and it was down to 0, so we're going to be able to keep cutting. It's nice that they sent 2 batteries because you can keep cutting as long as you got the 120 volt outlet to charge it. You're good. This ash has a wonderful smell to it. Okay, that's it for that battery. Let me switch. We can keep going. Alright, so we got 2.5 bars, maybe 3 bars. Yeah, I think it's three solid bars and maybe 3 and maybe a bit of a 4th. See how many bars we're at now. 2.5. Now we're down to 2. And there we go, that's it, cooked. So, let's see if I can switch to the other battery. See how much that charged. Yeah, because it's going to rain tonight, so I need to get the wood into the shed. Okay, this has 2.5 bars now. Here we go. That's out of battery. Alright, I really like this. It's fun tool to use. It tears through the wood very quickly. The battery does not last long on larger logs, but for the smaller ones, you can see you can tear through many of them pretty quickly.